Today we are teaching the installation process of Super Vela. We have obtained the brackets on both sides of the instrument. The connection is a 4-sided screw hole. Distinguish the left and right differences between two brackets. Observing the top of the bracket, the one with 2 extra holes is the right bracket, and the one without is the left bracket. We first install the handle bracket of the right bracket. The hanging brackets on the left and right sides are different, and the identification method is that the notch faces towards the back of the instrument. If the installation port faces to the left, it is installed on the right bracket, and vice versa. Find the slot of the handle bracket, align the bracket and clamp it in place. After the bracket is securely inserted, we need to tighten it with an Allen screw. Align the hole position and use a hex wrench to install and tighten it. Next, find 2 identical small handle brackets and install them in the remaining positions on the right bracket. Next, install the 2 handle brackets for the left bracket. Install the large handle bracket in the corresponding position. Align with the carved slot and lock the screw securely. Finally, we install the remaining bracket on the left side. After installing all the brackets, we will mount the handle bracket onto the instrument. Find 8 round head cross screws from the accessories. Align the bracket holes with the instrument holes, insert the screws and tighten them. The installation method of the brackets on both sides is the same. The installation of the left and right side brackets is completed, and the top bracket will be installed next. Align the holes of the top bracket with the holes of the left and right brackets. After aligning the holes, tighten the installation screws. To install the filter bottle, it is necessary to insert it tightly with slight force. Next, we will install the instrument handle. Find the handle socket, which has a handle pattern and buttons on it. According to the pattern of the handle socket, find the corresponding pattern of the instrument socket and insert it. You can hang the excess conduit at the position of the top bracket. The remaining 4 handles can be inserted into corresponding sockets according to the pattern. By completing the above steps, the installation of the Super Villa instrument is complete.